If a tree fell in a wood and not a soul was around to remember where it stood, did it even make a sound?